The best way to build confidence is to practice interviewing. The ability to verbally communicate specific information in various situations, such as in public presentations, conferences, oral exams, media appearances, or job interviews, is a specific skill that improves with practice. When you know what to say and how to say it, you will be more comfortable and your nonverbal communication, such as body language, posture, manners, and facial expressions, will improve. If you have identified relevant questions that may appear in the interview and developed potential answers to those questions, your next step is to practice saying them out loud. You do not have to memorize the answers word for word, as you do not want to appear like you have rehearsed the responses. Memorize them enough so you can speak naturally and without trying to remember each word, but rather the message that you would like to send. There are two ways of practicing for an interview. One way is to practice alone in front of a mirror. It is beneficial to see your own body language and facial expressions. The best part about practicing by yourself is that you can do it anytime for as long as you need it. Mock interview is another way of practicing. Instead of practicing by yourself, you can ask a friend, family member, colleague, or an employment counselor to take on a role of an employer while you act as a job applicant. You can have a set of questions already prepared for your mock interview partner, but you can also leave them an option to put in a few surprising questions. A mock interview should last between 20 to 30 minutes. Designate some time after the mock interview for feedback and discussion. No matter how much you practice, there are still going to be moments during the interview where you may not know what to say or how to start your answers. Be honest and take a moment to think about your responses. Employers do not expect perfect and prompt answers, but rather thoughtful and sincere responses.